आइए, जिन विभूतियों को अभी हम मूर्त रूप में देख रहे थे, उनके मुखारविंद से वो शुभ शब्दों की निर्झर धारा भी बहने का वक्त आ चला है। सर्वप्रथम हम सुनना चाहेंगे परम आदरणीय निर्वैर भाई साहब से, सेक्रेटरी जनरल राजयोगा रिसर्च फाउंडेशन के। आप सभी से मेरा फिर से विनम्र अनुरोध रहेगा कि आप वो करें जो आपके हाथ में है, अच्छा लगता है।
ओम शांति। Beloved sons and daughters of the highest of high, greatest of great, Lord of lords, my dear sisters and brothers, first of all, I express my happiness and gratitude to doctors H.K. Chopra, Naveen Nanda ji, S.K. Prashar ji, Dr. Satish Gupta, Dr. Pratap Midha, Dr. Banarsi Lal and their team for organizing this very special, very high-level conference of cardiologists, which is not just from India, but it's an international conference. And I congratulate them for this effort. It's the 10th conference of WCP. Some of the participants are very familiar with me, and I recognize them whenever they are here. But otherwise also, those who have come for the first time, I recognize them because you are all very special souls, very special doctors. It's because of your greatness, your specialities, your service to humanity that you were called upon not just by our organizing committee of the conference, but the Supreme Being to be present here. Because this place, as you must have heard about the introduction of the institution, its seeds are going back to 79 years when the institution started as a small unit, as a satsang as we call in India, and that was started by the founding father Brahma Baba. He had the vision to serve the whole world through something which is missing in the world, and that is the spiritual aspect, spiritual values, and spiritual values which are easily inculcated through meditation. Further, he taught us meditation is not with closed eyes. Meditation is not by chanting any words. Meditation is not reading the scripture only. they can be helpful. Meditation is nothing else but concentration, contemplation, and then reflection, connecting with the self first. Who am I? That is not the physical being, but the spiritual being. And also the one to whom we eternally belong, the Supreme Being. So this is something very special for each one of us, and I'm sure all the medical scientists who are here today, you have been serving the society, you have been serving the needy patients and receiving their blessings. But now it's time to receive blessings directly from the Supreme Being, so that you explore your own spiritual self. You explore the beauty of your own inner self. And then, what will be the result? Sometimes I think when you are too busy, you are called upon by patients, sometimes in the mid of night. As I remember, I had been to Dr. Gandhi's place once when our Dadi Prakashvani wasn't well, and so myself and Sister Yogini in Bombay went to his place, and he was so kind to join us, to see her, to make her comfortable. And this is just one example I am quoting. I think each one of you who are very, very senior cardiologists and physicians, you must have been doing this yeoman service to the society for a long time, but now this is the time for us to serve you. The people who had been in spiritual field for a long time, as you see Dadi Janki ji sitting in front, what is her age? Can you imagine? Only 100 years. And she is the most active person in the organization. Just imagine, yesterday she was at Dungarpur, because the sisters from there, they invited her when they came to tie Rakhi to her. And she thought before the conference she could go and visit their place for 2 days. It is her love for service to the society. It is her love for all the people, because she knows what the society needs at this time. People have all the material things, but lacking something which is actually very essential for us. And I'm happy to share with you, some of us, we explored that part of our life at a very young age in this Brahma Kumari's Ishwari Vishwavidyalaya. You will be surprised to know, right from the beginning, those who started their spiritual life first as student members and then they became servers as teachers or as helpers, most of them have been between the age of 15 and 25. And once they started, they never left. This is one thing very great for the institution, because they explored the inner depths of the self. They found the beauty of the spiritual self. They found the value of spiritual life. Dr. Gupta was requesting you to be in the meditation session early morning. Actually, he doesn't need to ask. Once you have experienced how beautiful it is, how helpful it is, not just for those moments or for those minutes when you meditate, it gives you such inner vision of the self that you can remain in a very high consciousness while performing your medical service duties. So, I'm very happy to see all of you here. You must have traveled long distances, especially our guests from abroad. I welcome you, all of you, from my heart, and I wish that you all have a very, very comfortable stay at this place. If you need anything, please let us know. By chance, if something is not available, just let us know. Because as we all know, we all feel, and we all have that kind of relationship that you have come back home. Even those who have come from abroad, I say you have come back to your own home. God's home is home of all the children. So most welcome. Have a nice day, and I wish by the time you return, everyone would be smiling all the time. That's the beauty of meditation. Om Shanti.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आदरणीय निर्भय भाई जी का। सार में उन्होंने आपका स्वागत भी किया और आज के परिवेश में सही स्वास्थ्य की आवश्यकता क्या है उस पर अपने विचार व्यक्त किए।
और वो गीत जो हम सुना करते थे कि दिल का हाल सुने दिल वाला, सीधी सी बात ना मिर्च मसाला, कह के रहेगा कहने वाला। और कहने वाले ने वो कहने वाली सारी बात कह दी जो दिल से निकलकर दिल तक पहुंची होंगी।